Hello friends, so today we're gonna discuss something about broiling. Before starting this video, I just want to tell you all that all the points that we are going to discuss here are just enough for you all to get the understanding about the topic. All the points are written to keep in mind that you all can easily understand the topic. Those who are new to my channel, I just wanted to tell you guys that I'm explaining the theory of food production, that is kitchen knowledge, in detail a chef should know. I'm explaining all these terms from the beginning and that too in detail, covering all the small points as well. Do watch it till the end and it will be really helpful for you all. Do hit the like button, share it with all your friends and family. So let's get started. So coming to the first slide. The first point says that it is a dry cooking method. That means no medium of fat or liquid is required. As the basic classification of the methods of cooking include the dry cooking method, cooking in the medium of fat, and cooking in the medium of liquid. So these are the three basic classification of the cooking of methods. In future, I'm also going to make a video on methods of cooking where I'm going to explain all the methods of cooking that are used in the kitchen and that too in detail. So to gain all such knowledge, stay tuned to my channel. The next point says that this method of cooking cooks the food by direct heat. Heat source is located either from the above of the food commodity or from the below of the food commodity. Only one side is cooked at a time as the heat source is on the single side, which is discussed above. This process or this method of cooking mostly took places over grills, pans, or even inside a salamander. Fish, fowl, and most red meats are suitable for broiling. So red meat includes the meat of pork, the meat of beef. So that are come the classification of the red meat, and white meat commonly are the meats of fish or the meat of chicken, mostly the meat of poultry we can say. The next point says that steak properly broiled over coals and can also be broiled in skillets. So if we talk a little about skillets are basically cast iron pan that are used for the cooking of food. Due to cooking over grills, grid markings also add attractiveness to the foods. When we pan broil the whole spices, it brings out the best flavors. So that's all in this slide. So these are some of the basic points we are discussing about the broiling. So I hope that these points will be understandable to you all. So coming up to the next slide. Now we are going to discuss some points that we should remember while broiling. So as the first point says, the heat source in the broiling is on the one side, and due to high temperature, the food can easily get overcooked or can even get burned. That's why watch the product carefully. The next point says that always remember to preheat the salamander or the broiler surface. Otherwise, it will result in unevenness of the cooking of the food product. The next point, oil the pans or the grills to prevent them from sticking. Temperature should be controlled, otherwise the food can get burned easily. That means you should know how to control the temperature of the broiler. Last point says that trim off the excess fat from the meat product, otherwise it will end up creating a lot of smoke, as in that high temperature fat burns easily and turns into smoke. So that's all I am going to discuss about the broiling. So that's all for the day guys. I hope that this video will help you to gain and improve some of knowledge. Make sure you hit the like button, comment down if you still have any doubts, share it with all your friends and family, and for more such knowledge, keep watching For the Food. Bye bye.